Bakit?
I said I don't have 5 reasons. I have only one compelling reason. If I don't produce my movie, I cannot breathe.
Pinagawad ng Sinag Maynila ang pinakamahusay na pangunahing aktor kay Ronnie Lazaro.